So we're getting close. Tanks are in. Fire bottles in. Battery. Had to add an extra battery. I didn't know how to handle all the 12 volt filament bulbs. That 16 volt battery actually puts out 18.5 volts. And the bulbs were very, very bright and very, very hot. Fuel lines are done, pumps are done. I've played with spark plug wires to try to neaten them up a little bit. Water belt's done. Wiring's done. It's actually starting to look like a dragster again. Gotta put the parachute in. And put the rest of the body on. Wheels are supposed to arrive today. A little unknown is the valve stems. Don't know if they'll come with the wheels or not. Probably not. New tires. New toys have arrived. What do we got?
Pull that off of there.
Open that up. Pull it up. Let's see what we got.
Oh, new wheel.
Ah.
There we go.
Alright.
Bead lock front and back.
Let's
Nice.
see what they look like.
there. Then it hit and barrel rolled, it broke his back, and it screwed it up. It screwed him up good.
Because the chute didn't come out.
Right, they didn't, it had been packed for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It takes out, you gotta unpack it and let it air out, because it'll stay, there's a little bit of humidity in there, it'll stay packed.
It'll pump out and be in a big
So if we
ball.
pack it now, we have to repack it?
I will, yeah.
Yeah, I'll pull it apart when we get there again.
But because I've never used a chute. I literally have never used a chute.
Really?
I've never
Can you
used
pack them wrong?
Because I was gonna ask, who's packing the chute when Steve ain't around?
I've never used
There's
it.
a lot of ways of packing it.
But with the speeds I got now, I'm
Yeah, you're probably gonna need it. Oh, yeah.
And all the canopy's straight, and you lay the canopy down, and you fold it up in a tractor.
Well, show us how to do it, Steve.
No, Sally told me what to do. This is all I know. Wait a minute, this isn't right.
Well, it was right.
Hold on, I think it's right now.
Yeah, there you go. Yep, that's right.
Well, now look at the corks. There we go. There.
Stuff it. And now this.
Wait, wait, now somebody's got to hold that. Hold on, let me hold it. Go ahead.
Hold that like that. Now this, no, it's coming out, I've always come out this way, just like that. Just this far.
So now this is the issue.
Stop.
Move your hand.
Just far enough in so that this is in the thing.
Stop it. Put the sides up.
Hold on,
So
we'll move the bottom. Hold
Those
on.
two, the sides go first, but we gotta put the chute in first.
You grind a tape to it at the end so it's easy to go through. Then just let it pull out.
This one, before it comes out of the trailer, this comes off and the fire bottle comes off.
We take this off, yeah, when we
That's fine.
arrive.
As long as you don't forget.
You know, we take this one of our.
And that's, I
arrival things.
leave the fire bottle tag hang down below the dragster. So even if the body's on, it's hanging out of the bottom.
So there it is.
Thanks, Steve.
Now you know why I had mine comes off and goes down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you pick the whole thing up.
So,
and
but
set it back.
Sally, can Sally load that if it's on the ground? Can she,
No.
when it's down,
No,
pressure?
How do you hold it in the car, Steve? How do you hold the chute in the car then if the bag is loose? You said the whole bag comes off?
It's on a platform that goes on a framework.
All right, let me put this in the scoop. I gotta pull forward a little bit so.
So, you don't have time to wash these, right?
What?
I don't have time to wash these.
No.
Yeah. Can I come out or?
Yeah.
So you leave it Wednesday, so we got till Wednesday to think of everything you forgot.
We do this so many times, we always forget something. But you know, the nice thing, when you go to the track, some guy's got something. Some guy's gonna have it, so it's not like it's a big issue. Some guy's gonna say, yeah, I got that. I don't know what Robbie's gonna do without our 63 pulley though.
You'll have to what, one?
The 63 pulley. If we run that, Robbie's in trouble. Because he doesn't have one. And he's always wanting to come and borrow our pulley.
Yeah, well, too bad. For Robin.
Hope he's okay. Did nobody said how we made out after the heat stroke thing, huh?
Oh, he's fine. He's been on Facebook a ton, same old Robbie.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's not that old, so just call him same old. He's a young boy. He's a child.
What do you know about Pontiacs?
Huh?
What do you know about Pontiac engines?
Too much. I know.
Build a Chevy instead.
Don't ever run one. That's all I know.
Like last night I was out at Shriners there.
Oh, yeah?
Craig's out there next to what's this Catalina. He had a Pontiac motor with the Kaufman heads. He said, oh man, look at that. You know, Glenn's got one in his garage. You can Well, he wants to watch it.
Watch too much, he's out of his mind.
I know. Well, he doesn't know how much he wants for it. You know, whether Craig would do that, I don't know. No.
Out of gear. You're in neutral.
Oh, you're not hooking the cable up?
Whoa, those tires are grippy. We've never gone down this hill this slow.
Put a little brake on the end.
No break, let roll.
Oh, yeah.
I have no brake. I would not
Keep your
have-
hand on it. I can't hold the hand.
You're not supposed to hold it back. You're supposed to
why?
let it roll.
Let's go back one more time. Go back almost to Steve's car. So we might get the back end over. Okay. Now when we get to the ramp, push. Alright, push. Run him over. Alright, push.
Oh, shoot. Oh.